Good morning, all. I'm Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for the morning as we're here now on Monday, the 12th of February, 2024, 8:10 a.m. Central Time. I hope one and all stayed up and watched that Super Bowl game in America. Wow, phenomenal. We had a huge party planned, food galore. My wife wakes up in the morning not feeling good, COVID. Had to call the whole thing off. Can you imagine? All these people were coming. I mean, a big party. What can you say? They ended up going to a friend's house, and all the food got taken advantage of. But my poor wife, what can you say? I hope I don't catch it. And we both did have the shots, which is interesting. But she's out in the public a lot more than I am. All right. There are no major U.S. economic reports due out today. What we do have tomorrow, though, big-time CPI numbers. So we're going to get core CPI, headline CPI, all comes out, and the market will gear on it. Is it coming down? What's the Fed going to do about that? Right now, most traders don't think a March rate cut is in the cards. Somewhere between April and June is when the card players believe that the cuts are coming. Same thing in Europe, by the way. We're looking at a bit lower today on the energies, and yes, there are still in the Red Sea, the Houthis are still throwing everything out. So the Houthis just keep going boom, boom, boom. And, it doesn't matter the type of ship in reality. They're saying that some Russian ships are now putting up Islamic flags as they're going through there to let them know, don't bomb us. Who knows what that does. In the grain market, getting a bit of a bounce in the soybean market. You will from time to time as this market gets down sharply. There was an event I was watching this morning. I don't know if you're watching silver, but it got all the way up to $23.15. Now, from where it's at right now, that's 50 cents. So somebody, I don't know who, taking advantage of a thin market, I was watching it. They were unwinding, obviously, silver gold. And coming into this market and buying the silver, selling the gold market. And as the morning wore on, well, it's given back a big chunk of it. But I was watching it. Been up since about 3 this morning, so I know what I'm saying. In the dollar index, the market is up 7 points, but most currencies just sort of here walking, not able to do much one way or the other. It's like they're caught. How do I put it? They're caught in what should they do about forthcoming interest rate cuts. That's where the market seems to be stuck right now. Natural gas continues to sell off, now a 178 number. Big merger in the Permian Basin between two groups, $26 billion merger, so two U.S. groups. I don't see why it would be barred by the Commerce Department, but of course, when you get something that big, everybody's going to take a look at it and see where it goes. So if you were to ask me today, is there anything today in the market, a market mover? Not really. We're going to hear, in Congress, they're still fighting about impeachment of Mayorkas. They're still talking about what can they get in the way of aid, how do they split the bills up, where's that all going. Impeachment proceedings, I heard this morning against President Biden. They'd love to get those going, but, that's hardcore to see how hard it's all going to be. Nikki Haley was all over the news today trying to gather momentum for what she's doing right here. And, of course, the senality issues of President Biden, they're front and center. Some people aren't using the word senality. I will. That's basically what we're looking at. I'm not saying that yet he's at the point where he can't function. It's getting close. In 4 years, I'm no doctor, but it doesn't look good to me. And that's what you're voting for. Will he be able to do it? If not, he'll be surrounded by people. And who are those people? Because they'll probably be the big influencers as things go. That is the fearful part. And you don't have a lot of grace with Trump either. That is the problem that you have. I mean, it's similar. These men are older. I wish in America you couldn't run for office at a certain age. I am of that opinion. Air traffic controllers have to retire at a certain time. Pilots have to retire at a certain time. High type of jobs, that should be the case. Maybe people think brokers should retire at that time. I don't know. But I do know that you can take advantage of a couple of things that I am offering, if I can get it over here. There you are. You can take advantage of our, whoa, is it going to come up? There you go. Our free offers on our website. And there's many to choose from. You've got everything from our strategies in profitable trading strategies, and free access to the Linn IRA charts, this exact charting service that I use. Our Spider VT videos. You can look at the futures trading kit. You can look at the QT price counts. There's many more below us. The Arun indicator, the pivot points, they're all there. The courses from the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. How do you get this? Just move your cursor to the top. It'll be free offers. Or go to iraepstein.com, free offers. I wish there were more to talk about this morning. There isn't. It all starts tomorrow. So buckle in. I will see you first thing in the evening as we get ready for the morning trade. Take care.